think y'all heard me? I woke up early Sunday morning. Never want to leave. Boom, yeah. Ba-da-bum, 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 ba-bum, bum, ba-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-ba-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-bum. Nigga, when we film, can we film from the get-go?
Yeah. I've got this feeling that I get to.
Welcome back to the life of Sky with I and say Sky Soul Planet Continent, aka Petty Cash, Petty Mali Petty Cash. Cue audience. So anyways, welcome back guys to my new subscribers, even because you know we're on that. We're breathing. Ah, come on!
Guys, I'm sorry.
My creative director there.
He's not being creative.
He zondas me. He doesn't want to see me prosper. But as I was saying, welcome back to my new subscribers and my old ones, of course, the OGs. You know what? I was smelling that 1,000 subscriber oxygen. You know what I'm saying? So you, right there, next to the title, press that button. And no, don't let Satan use you. Let the spirit touch the screen and let the spirit of subscribership enter you. Okay?
Out, demon! Out!
Resurrect the spirits. Let them come up. Okay? Because you who are watching and not subscribing, you guys watch all the videos, but you don't subscribe. Do what's right. Anyways, guys, today's video is a little bit ghetto. Because I'm going to be giving you guys a premium playlist. Not any playlist of any kind, but like a Ratchet playlist. Because I'm a firm believer that like everyone has a Ratchet side. Don't claim like, oh my gosh, I would never. No, everyone has a Ratchet side. So I'm going to be giving you guys my personal playlist. Like no like order or everything. Like just like, I don't even know how many songs are here, but I'm just going to give you guys my favorite Ratchet songs. Some of these songs, it's not like they're Ratchet, right? They just bring out that thing, you know? Yeah. So like, let's get into this shiznai. Right. Song number 1 is going to be Kabza the Small, because I'm a piano right now, is where it's at. The song by Kabza the Small. You know now that people are gonna be dragging me there.
We're questioning it a bit, but like...
Yeah, I saw the silence.
Yeah.
So the song's by Kabza the Small. It's called Bamba la Kabza. And then, you know, can I get into the situation? Right? Actually, who is this guy that makes these lyrics? Because Kabza the Small is no one with this guy.
Leehleza.
Leehleza?
Yeah.
Is that his name?
Yeah, Leehleza.
Oh, here he is even. Yo, guys, the second one, man. It's so spatial, like it gets me in the zone. Like I bump the song when I get to campus. So if you see me walking on campus with earphones in, I'm probably playing this Ratchet ass song. I heard it after it went viral. It's by Shado M. It's called Inhliziyo. I'm gonna cry. What does this woman mean? You know the way she hits these notes? It's like she didn't want to hit them. Like, hey, hey, hey. Like she sounds shy. Whether she wants to hit the note or not. But ish, guys. Even the beat. Ish. Do you see that kid? to me, please play this song. Like, even if I don't like you, if you play the song, it's gonna give me that thing, Yari. Wow, like, this guy's really feeling me. Like,
He knows me.
yeah, like he knows me. Like, this is such a beautiful, like, love song. It's premium. Yo, guys, I don't think people are sleeping on this woman. Whoever actually stalked her Instagram, some regular stuff. It's like she didn't expect the song to be so big. Like, song number 3 is by Zingmaster and Pencil. You guys know these ones. These ones are consistent with the hits. Consistent banger makers. Like, honestly, like Pencil and Zingmaster, they saw the industry, they saw it was suffering, and they were like, let's go save it. This one reminds me of like Pretoria,
The vibe.
the ghetto, the vibe. Yes. You know those hands, man? When they hold the bottles, man, at the club, then they get like this. I've realized now, South African music industry is literally thriving over bare minimum lyrics. No thought process. It's like these people, they sit there having drinks and they're like, actually, let's go to the studio. Like they were shelling on a hand. Like bracket out Tabisa once.
But they were thinking about that hand. And when they were there, they were like, ish, I should have said this.
Meh.
Yeah.
My thing is that there's literally only 2 lines to this song. That's it. And that's the whole song. So guys, song number 4. We're still in Pretoria, kind of a thing. Like, kind of a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, Pitori, like, in the hood, in the kasi, in the place. I feel like this is such an underrated Ratchet song. Because it actually slaps. I actually tried to play it around my friends and they were like, side. But it's by Gomolemo and Banyana, pheli, guys. If you know the song, man. Sure. Yeah, the lyrics. They speak to me. These are like single people lyrics, if you know what I'm saying. Like, yeah, for people that aren't even trying to get into a relationship, they just want money. No chance.
I wanna sailor. 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 Banyana ba pheli Banyana. Gaspunan. Banyana gaspunana. Gaspunan. Banyana ba pheli Banyana. Jawena Banyana. Banyana ba pheli. Para bomba yo. Oh, tu bani solo. Oh, tagataha. Mara wali yo. Bueno, buena hostada.
connection where God puts his hand and speaks to me. That's when I knew Christ was talking to me through this song. These are those kind of songs that like people in relationships mustn't sing them, because especially when your boyfriend is broke, like these are those songs that will shake relationships. The fifth song is it's by Bekzin Terris, The Calling, but the middle part of the song is where it's critical. Guys, it was The Calling.
Oh yeah, usimathunani wena mina mfethu athamele ngigcoke emasizwe.
Yeah, my boy. What are you saying?
Which one is this one?
Which one is this one? Honestly, guys, if you don't know the song, then wasn't it in that time of like Scotanis, bruh? I remember I wanted to be a Scotani in grade 8. Hey, that was a dark time, guys. The last stop, nah. Yeah. I don't expect anyone to know these songs, because now I'm going to Limpopo, and I hate to say this, but Limpopo is literally the place where Ratchet music is born and bred. Yes. I don't think music gets any more ratcheter than in Limpopo. I took you guys there by Eastern Cape, Western Cape there by Inhliziyo, and then it was Pretoria vibes there with more pencil now. But now, this is where it's at.
This is where it was born.
In Limpopo, the way these songs are so ratchet, I don't even know the song, like the artist.
You will never know the artist.
Yes. All I know that it's audio 00001-2020-WWOPFI. That's all I know.
Zamob. In my head.
Toxic web.
Toxic web. That's where it came from.
Yeah. These songs are not even on Fakaza, guys. That's how ratchet they are. Okay. So I'm just gonna be saying a song, play a song. Shout out to LJ. LJ, if you see this, shout out to you. He played this at the Market Fair in Polokwane. Yo, did we not lose our minds? Our mentals? Okay guys, let me just play for you. I don't expect y'all to jam, because I'm about to get real ratchet up in this.
Mujisha! Boy! Vanilla Dusty! Welcome! DJ Callme.
Whoever you are, who made the song, please step forward. I'd like to have a personal conversation, cause it takes some serious creativity to come up with such like beautiful, well composed music. Yeah. If you guys know who made the song, please like comment or something of that nature. And then this is also a Limpopo song, guys, so I don't know what the name of the song is. I don't know the name of the song, but it's definitely from where? From Limpopo, because I just feel like Limpopo artists, they don't put names on their songs. Limpopo people, they just make hits and they go. They make bar music and they dip. They don't name whatever. You'll see what you name it. And this song, I heard it for the first time when I was like in Zingmaster, when I still stayed that side, so I don't know if it comes from someone in that area. But it's an instrumental song. I feel like people should know the song. It's also famous, but yeah. I trust you. Do you know the song? I'd actually be so crushed. I know the song's really Ratchet if you didn't know it.
I said you're too white for the song.
Yeah. What if I heard it? Like
You're too white for
You're too white for this one.
This one doesn't touch strawberry.
It doesn't. It ends there. Maybe it ends at Haman's Kral and that's it.
Like,
but up north.
It's where it's at.
It's where it's at, guys. Anyways, I'm so tired.
Hey,
Is that it? Yeah.
oh, that's sad. That is so sad.
Because I asked for your input, but you didn't give it to me. But
Tell the people we want more.
We want more.
Guys, thanks for watching me give you guys my Ratchet ass playlist. I'm not ratchet like this in real life.
Yes, she is.
Stop lying. I'm not. People that know me know that I'm proper. I'm Porsche. I'm classy. I'm that bitch.
She wishes.
Sorry, do you have something to say? Cause we can go outside, fam.
Okay, you wanna show people you really have fights after last week?
Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't play yourself. Stop stalking. Stop you letting Satan use you. Press that button. You know. And I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So